Alright everybody, this is the solar charge controllers that I use down in the chicken coop, the pole shed, and my tool shed. This is my backup to any one of those that might fail. These you can get on Amazon and eBay for really cheap. If you find the right seller, if you buy in bulk, they will knock the price down on each controller if you buy more than one at a time. As you know, I bought 4 of these now, so that lowered the price even more. This is what you call a PWM charge controller. I see they have this sticker upside down. It is a 20 amp charge controller. The average 100 watt panel that I use is, I believe, 5.6 amps. So you should be able to safely put 3 of them on one controller. If a panel does not put out its rating, you might be able to get away with 4 panels on one controller. So let's go ahead and unbox this. And there she is. 2 USB ports, your menu and your settings. Your wires will go in here at these ports. You can wire a load like a light. Press that button to turn your lights on. These 2 go to your battery. And these 2 ports are from your solar panels. Here it says at the top, PWM solar charge controller. It will do 12 or 24 volt systems. Current rating 20 amps. And it looks like you can put some panels in series. It will handle a max of 50 volts and a max input of 260 watts at 12 volts, 520 watts at 24 volts. This is the most affordable way to get power off the grid at any of your outbuildings. I might purchase a few more of these just so I have extra backups and if I put any more outbuildings up. There is 4 holes to mount it to a wall. It is of plastic construction, very lightweight, easy to install, and easy to operate. I've not had any of these fail yet on me, so they definitely do their job. I think they are completely worth it. Alright guys, there's my unboxing video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Turn that notifications on so you know when I put out a new video. And we hope to see you on the next one. Alright everybody, we'll talk to you later.